So dito sa section 6-1 para sa ato ang applications of linear equation. So we have here the following objectives. Duha ra ni siya kabuok ang ato ang objectives. Translate verbal expression into mathematical symbols. Solve real-world problems using linear equations. So first nato dire we have here the steps para sa ato ang general procedure for solving word problems using equations. So first, muna na to dire, step 1, read the problem carefully, draw a diagram or jot down any key ideas. Step 2, assign a variable to an unknown quantity. Most of the time, the variable should represent the quantity you're being asked to find. Number 3, write an equation. Keep an eye out for statements in the problem indicating two different ways to express the same quantity. Then step 4, solve equation, and then make sure you have that answer, that question, and then check or verify kung naabay sense ang imuang solution. Okay, so kung naka-encounter na mo mga word problems using algebra, no, sa paggamit sa solutions, mo na yung ato ang gamiton. Kasagara sa mga problems kay na age problem, di ba? Time problem, or work problem. Ginagamit nato ng mga equations para maka-answer. Okay? So, example, we have here mga common phrases that represent operation. So, kung naka-remember pa mo sa prelim nato na mga conversions from mathematical sentence to English sentence, either ways, the same gyapon ang buhaton diri, no? Six more than a number. Di ba na-discuss naman nato ni atong prelim. That is 6 plus x. Di ba pag a number, gamit kag x. A number increased by 8, x plus 8. 5 added to a number, x plus 5 or 5 plus x, pwede ra. And the sum of a number and 17. That is x plus 17. How about this one? Phrases that represent subtraction. 18 decreased by a number. So 18 minus x. Pero pag inani gali ang problem, 6.5 less than a number, ang minus ani 6.5. Mo ng x minus 6.5. Mo ni ang mga common mistake atong prelim, no? Mahimo na noon siyang 6.5 minus x. Mabaliktad siya. So dili pwede magkabaliktad ha. Ang addition pwede ra, 'di ba? 17 plus x pwede ra man. Dire dili pwede. Okay? X minus 6.5. Ang answer ana. 3 subtracted from a number. So natay word nga from. So meaning siya ang negative, si 3. So x minus 3. So na kay bantayanan ha, kay magkaiban ang first na to ha sa mga other English sentence dire, importante na siya. And of course, yung ginatudlo na pud nako, difference between a number and 5. That is x minus 5. Okay? Tapos tayo represent multiplication, 8 times a number, twice a number multiplied by 4. Diba? The product of a number and a 19. Then 2 over 3 of a number. Ang of, kaya ginagamitan po na siya times. So 2 over 3x. So mo na ang gina-represent nato ha for multiplication. So take note jud ani ha. Again, na-discuss na din sa atong prelim pero you have to remember all of this kay gamiton ni siya for word problems. Next is phrases that represent division, that is a number divided by 5, 35 divided by a number, then a quotient of the number, and 6. Next nato is translate each verbal statement into symbols. Okay? So, first nato, letter A, 14 times a number, no, 14x, di ba? The number divided by 7, x over 7. Then 10 more than a product of 8 and a number. Di ba kung naka-remember pa mo ani? Kaya ra na ninyo na siya ma-convert. Then letter D, 3 less than 4 times a number. And then letter A, 6 times the sum of a number and 18. So anyway, ang answer ani, nara diri ang solution. Number, sorry, A, letter A, 14 times a number that is 14x. Then a number divided by 7x over 7. Kani more than. Dili siya more than nga. Ana ha. Okay, ang more than pwede po na siya plus. Lahi po ng inequality na to nga more than, greater than man to, less than, di ba? So 10 plus the product of 8 times a number plus 8x. Kani 3 less than. So pag moingon galig less than, kani ang negative. Then 4x minus 3 ang answer. Okay. Sa letter E naman, that is parentheses required here because the multiplication 6 times the sum. Okay, kinaman kay the sum. So na kay 18 plus x, or x plus 18. Then na kay parentheses kay nasa gawas ang 6. So mo to siya, recap ra pud ni kay gamiton man nato ng mga na-learn nato kaning inani conversion English to mathematical symbols sa tuang word problems. Later part. No? Dire, if 8 times a number plus 3 is 27, find the number. So, medyo challenge na ni siya kay kung sa tong na-learn nato sa prelim kay natay mga additional na mga questions na nga isolve na kay mahimo na ni siyang equations. Linear equations na. Okay? So, dire, if 8 times a number, so 8x plus 3. Naman tayo word niya is equal 27. Then find the number. So meaning, isolve nimo ni siya. Find the value of x na dayon. So diri nga time, isolve na dayon nimo siya. Atong nag-prelim ka, wala ka nag-solve sa x. Okay, you just have to convert that to English to mathematical symbols. Kaya ang katong nag-prelim ka kay, isolve ninyo ang x. Wala man giingon sa pang ano dito, instructions. Diri, isolve na nimo ni siya. So, ang nahitabo na diri, you have to find the value of x na dayon. 8x plus 3 is equal to 27. Nakuha siya. Kaya ang instruction diri, find the number. So, you find the number, the yung x. So, yung x, ikaw na mag-solve niyan, nakaagi na mo basic algebra, dali ra kay na siya. So, kani, subtract 3 from both sides. Okay? So, nahimo na siyang 24, then divide 8 both sides. Divide 8 na siya ha. So, yung answer nimo kay 3. So, the answer is 3. You can check. Ingon diri sa step 6, you can verify naman kung substitute nimo ang 3 diri. Di ba? 24 plus 3, 27. Next, tapod na to kay na tayo word problem. Two basketball teams are interested in signing a free agent player. And inside source informs the general manager of one team that the other has made an offer. And the player's agent said double that and add an extra million per year. And you're in our league. According to the published report, the player is seeking a contract of 18 million per year. What was the rival team's offer? So, diri, kung makita nimo word problems na siya, so make sure nga makabuhat kag equation. So mo na siyang challenge sa mga word problems. So mo to natay step by step. First step is get the relevant information nga giingon. Okay? Twice the offer plus 1 million is 18 million. Diba? Twice the offer. So you use your variable x. Gamit lang tag variable x lang ha. Ikaw bahala, pwede po Y, pwede Z, any alphabet letter, but most commonly use X para sa ato ang representation nato for variable. Since the number are in millions, we represent X stands for the offer in $1 million units. So pwede na siya. Offer na, butang nato X is in $1 million units. So, ingon siya dire, twice the offer, so 2x. Ang offer x plus 1. No need na ibutang 1 million ana dayon. No, daghan na kay zero. So, i-shortcut na lang nimo nag 1. Then ang 18 kay 18 million man na. So 18 na lang nato para balance siya. So ina to ra, 2x plus 1 is equal to 18 and then you solve for x. Okay? So you subtract negative sakto ra, subtract 1 negative 1 both sides. So 17 divide 2 both sides. So ang answer ana kay 8.5. So meaning, ang team's offer was $8.5 million. Doubling. Pwede din mo siya i-double check. Ay verify lang nato kung equal ba siya sa 18, pwede. Okay, 17 plus 1, 18. So correct siya. Pwede nyo i-verify. You can also do that. Okay? So ang challenge lang jud class kay unsaon pag create og equation. So mo na siya ang critical thinking. Maghatag kong word problem and ikaw bahala kung sinasabtan nimo. You have to convert that to equation, mathematical equation. So common kay ning na mga inani sa mga board exams, kung gawas jud na or sa entrance exam kung nakasulay mong inani, common jud ni nga mga word problems. Na mga word problems kay gamiton nimo ang mga relevant information to algebraic expression, inana siya. Okay? Another example, Pat and Ron are planning to build a deck of back of their house, and they buy some plants from the internet. Plants can be customized to the required deck height, which is case will be 92 inches. They call for support posts of two different heights. The taller one is 8 inches longer than the short ones. And they plans say that the sum of the lengths should be the height of the deck. How long should the support post be cut? So medyo challenge na siya, pero again, you have to understand critical thinking jud ni siya. Okay? So yun nga, natay mga steps para masabtan ninyo. Yun nga, ang step 1, relevant information. The posts are 8 inches different in length, and the length should add 92 inches. Step 2, we call the length of the shorter post x. Okay, kaya nga naman, ang pangutana, how long should the support post be cut? Okay, so the other post 8 inches longer, sumotong x plus 8. Kaya ang x na mo na ang shorter post. Nung maingon sa problem. So x plus 8. Ngayon, ningon man siya sum. Diba? The length of the shorter post plus the length of the longer post. So 92. So x plus 8 is equal to 92. Inana siya. So muna importante jud sabtan ang problem kay dira na mo ma-execute pag-create og algebraic equation. Okay? And then pag nakabuhat na kag equation, ma-solve na dayon nimo ang x. Diba? So x plus x 2x. Negative 8 both sides. So Didiretso na ni siya, shortcut na ni, pero dali ra kay na. As long as you have a calculator, ma-solve na nimo na. So, next name mo diri is divide to both sides and you got a x name mo is 42. Okay? And then you're done. So, you can also double check your answer by verifying nimo. So, the answer to this question, then is where it becomes really important to consider the original question, where as gipangita ba ang duha ka lengths, 'di ba naatay shorter ones and then the longer ones na length. So since ang 42 dili pa na mao ang answer. Okay? Kaya ang pangutana the shorter one and the long one. So ang isa, we found the length of the shorter post is 42 and the longer is i-add pa nimo sa 850. So the answer is 42 and 50 as required. 92 inches na siya. Okay? So again, ang duha ka answer nato kay 42 and 50 inches. Duha ka answer kay ang shorter ones and then the longer ones. Okay? So next, another example is more on application involving money. After a busy Friday morning, the tip jar at an off-campus bar is stuffed full of quarters and dollar bills. The addition is that the bartender split the dollars while the bar backs split the quarters. There's $245 in the jar with three times as many quarters as dollar bill. How much money goes to the bartenders and how much to the bar backs? So, natay relevant information nga nakuha diri. Okay? Sa step 1 nato, three times as many quarters as dollar bills. Di ba mo itong nabasa nato ganina? Then, ang total value ato is 245. Okay? So, ikaw mag-represent og variable ha. Kay diri manggod sa gibuhat nato nga PowerPoint is D ang gigamit. Pwede po ka gamit og X. It's up to you. No? As long as you represent variable, or diri kay gagamit siya D for dollar bills. Pwede na siya. Kanya, naingon man siya 3 times. So, 3D. 3 times the number of quarters because there are 3 times as many. Kanya, naaman tayo quarters. Kung saan ang quarters? Di ba ang quart is 4. So, 1/4. 1/4. Okay? Bisin dili familiar quarters ha? Quart, prefix word na to is 4. You know, 1/4 na siya. So, 0.25. Multiply nimo. Okay, 3 times. Di ba? Niingon siya 3 times. So, the answer ani, 0.25 times 3D plus D. Kaya nga siya nga, add the total value is 245. So, medyo challenge na siya. Kung dili mo masabtan ang gibuhat nga equation, sabtan jud ang word problem again. Hantod nga masabtan nimo, makuha nimo ang equation. Mo na siya ang challenge. From word problem, kailangan makabuhat ka og equation para ma-solve nimo yung hinahanap. That is yung D, dollar bill. So, pag solve ani, unahon sa nimo 3 times 0.25, 0.75, D, i-add lang nimo ni siya 1.75, divide both sides sa 1.75. Okay, nag-divide both sides ni siya ha. So, ang answer ani kay 140. Okay? So, ang answer ni mo diri 140, mo na mo ang answer. There are $140 bills, so the bartender split 140. 3 times many quarters is 420. Multiply ni mo 0.25 and then get 0, 0.25 and get 105 to be split by bar backs. Okay? So diri naatay duha ka answer ani ha kay gi split ba ato ba? So 0.25 times 3 times yung nakuha na to nga answer kanina nga D. Okay? Kay para pag double check nimo, make sure nga ang total gihapon ato is 420. Ah, nakuha to siya. Kay gi-add ba ning duha. Okay? Kay duha ba yang gipangita dire ha? How much money goes to bartenders and barbacks? So dili pa sabot nga nakuha nimo ang D mo na din tong answer. So you have to do interpretations, final answers. Okay? So careful jud mo sa last question or ano yung hinahanap. Kay mo man jud ang final answer. Okay? So careful mo na ha, dili pasabot kung sa kung missing ang D dollar, dili pasabot D is 140 diretso. Okay? So mo na ang niingon ko diri nga 420 quarters is 3 times as many as $140 bills. So mo tong 140 plus 105. Isakto siya nga 245. Okay? So na mo to na-explain na. 105 split by barbacks, then ang 140 bartenders. Mo ni ang final answer. Sa step 6 kay nag-verify lang ka, but sa step 5 make sure nga na explain din mo siya. Pila ang sa bartenders and sa barbacks. Okay? So actually we're done na. Okay? So mubura jud ang ato ang